What's up, everyone? This is the Minister of Beauty, and this is going to be another vlog for Vlogmas. I will say this is going to be, we're just going to say this is day 3, even though technically I'm doing this on day 4, so I'm kind of doing it backwards. I'm cheating a little bit. I just had a lot going on. It's just been my life for some time now, but I'm flowing in it and I'm accepting it. And I just wanted to encourage you to let you know that anything is doable and fixable if you make an attempt to try to make it work. And there are some situations where you may deal with hard-headed people that are just, not going to budge, and and they don't really care to try to amend a situation or whatever. All you can do is what you can do, and you can attempt and try to make it work. Share a quick little example with you. Recently, we had a new client. She was so happy to come into the business and come and get a service done, and she saw the positive reviews. This is what she said, and what prompted her to come in to get a service done. Unfortunately, and I didn't do her service, I never met her, never saw her. I don't work with everyone who comes to the business myself, but she got the service done, and it didn't turn out the way that she was hoping that it would. And she didn't contact anyone at the business or say anything. She just paid for the service and then she left. And then I got an alert that someone left a review online, and it wasn't a positive review. It wasn't. And if you're in business, not every review that you receive is going to be positive. That's just people. Sometimes you earn those negative reviews, and sometimes you don't, because there are just some people who are nasty, and that's what they want to do, and they want to try to not just share their experience, but they want to try to destroy your business and your business reputation, and say they need to be out of business or whatever. Just putting that out there. But usually in situations like this, I would have my manager or director or my admin reach out to handle situations like this. But I had some time on my hands, and I said, you know what, I'm just going to reach out to the person myself. You only know, you don't know until you try, right? So I did. I sent the person, actually I called first. I didn't get an answer, so I sent a text message, and I said, hey, this is the owner of the business. I saw that you had a less than stellar experience. I am so sorry about that. I would love to have the opportunity to speak with you about it and see if we can try to make the situation, work out. I didn't know if I would hear back from her, but I made the attempt. She responded almost immediately, and she was very grateful that I reached out to her. And so I told her when I would be available to speak. So I did, and we set that time. And 2 minutes before the time we had set, I let her know, hey, I haven't forgotten about you. Just want to let you know I'm still wrapping things up, but I will be in touch with you as promised. So we did. We had the conversation. She shared, her frustrations and what she was looking for, the outcome of what she was desiring. And I said, look, I will be happy to try to make that work for you. So let's get you rescheduled. I can't do it immediately because it's a service that we have to kind of wait until, we have the all clear signal to do it again. But once we do that, we will get you back, in for it. So let's just go ahead and get you on the schedule. So we did that. We had the conversation, and she said, look, she wound up apologizing to me. And even, because I offered to give her a refund. She said, I don't want my money back. I want to come back to the business, and I want to get the service done with you all, because I really, had been looking forward to coming into your business. So I just wanted to share that really quick to say that if you try to make the situation work out, you usually can work things out, but you have to make an attempt to do it. You never know until you try, right? So guys, I just wanted to share that with you really quick. I hope you all are doing amazing. So guys, thank you so much for liking, commenting, and subscribing. I am the Minister of Beauty, and I'm here to share the Bible. That's business, inspiration, beauty, life, and enjoyment. So until the next vlog and the next video, guys, I hope you all have an amazingly blessed and beautiful day. Bye, guys.